Stock market recap, Tuesday, March 12th, 2024. MicroStrategy up 7%, NVIDIA up 8%, SMCI up 8%. Talk about bouncing quickly, right? CPI came in hotter than expected, as we predicted, okay? And investors came in immediately and bought that dip, okay? But it was a tough trading day because it went down hard first thing in the morning and then reversed quickly, okay? It was a V shape and then it got choppy for a while. So it was a tough day trading out there if you're a day trader. So don't kick yourself if it didn't go well for you today, okay? But Bitcoin was up about 0.77%. MicroStrategy continues to outperform. Coinbase took a break. Honestly, I believe you should stay away from that one now. I think that's closer to the top, okay? Also, the miners I've been telling you to stay away from because their business models suck. Like my voice. So, I don't know if a lot of people realize, but Bitcoin halving does not help the miners. It actually makes it harder for them. They have higher costs. So do your research on that. If you've been playing those, not smart, okay? You could be shorting them. That's the way to make money. And obviously, you would have if you did that the last few days here. But NVIDIA and SMCI continue to crush it, okay? Oracle had their earnings, and they said how they were spending heavily with NVIDIA, and they're going to announce something with NVIDIA here coming up. So that kind of sparked the rally there, okay? And NVIDIA obviously is still not overvalued compared to like ARM Holdings and other companies out there. They're still cheaper than them. And that's why I think this rally can continue, okay? Now, the stock did go up big today. I actually sold and took some profits, okay? But I will be looking to buy back some more shares toward the end of the week if it ever does dip, okay? And I know I'm taking a chance with that. Everyone plays it the way they play it, right? I was day trading it, okay? Anything that goes up big, you know I sell into that rip. And I will look to re-enter later. If I miss it, I miss it. There's always opportunities. Remember, that's how you got to look at it, guys. In NVIDIA, yes, I think it's going to get over 1,000, okay? But we're talking about from these levels now after it's at 950 or whatever. I don't think there's a ton of upside left in the short run, okay? After the AI conference is when I said I'm going to be selling anyways. Like I said, I'll leave a little in my long-term account. I already do have a little there. But I just am playing, you know, the excitement over their AI conference, okay? So I think it'll set up as a good swing trade. And I'm more interested in these small cap AI stocks, as you know, guys, because this is where I'm looking for the next NVIDIA, right? Or one that's going to go up 500%. Like I said, when interest rate cuts happen and a company beats on earnings out of these ones I'm recommending, it's going to go up a lot, guys, okay? I expect these to at least double just based on the interest rate cut, not even factoring in anything else, okay? So stay tuned, all right? I will guide you through this. We're going to make some money together. Obviously, the big caps are having their moment now. You know, Palantir dipped today. I like that one long. If you're not in it, just keep buying that one on the dips because I don't think people understand. Even though, yes, it is overvalued right now, they're going to grow into that valuation. Their AIP boot camps are a game changer. There's so many more commercial customers that are going to get on board. So you got to see the big picture. Look long with Palantir. Okay, that's another one I really like that I think you just have to be in. I could see this in 2030, people kicking themselves when it's at $200 a share or whatever, saying, why didn't I get in this company? Because they're a very unique AI company. So I recommend that one. So you can play the AI trade here. Like I said, up to you if you're day trading, swing trading, long-term trading. Know yourself as an investor. If you got a big gain today and you're not going to be able to handle it, get cut in half tomorrow, right? Like it was up 8% with SMCI. Let's say it's down 4% tomorrow. If you can't handle that, then know when to get out. Have your stop loss in right at certain levels, okay? So play it safe while stocks are this high. But like I said, we do have the AI conference next week. I don't think a ton of people are talking about that, but there's going to be some key speeches. You know, SMCI, I believe, will be there and other AI companies. So I think we can make some money through next week.